When you are tying your waist beads on yourself, it's good to look in the mirror to see where you want them to be tied and position them there. But also keep in mind that waist beads do roll up and down with weight fluctuations when we're bloated and things like that. So you are going to pull down the beads, cut the excess string, tie them in a few knots the same way you would do on your shoes, so it's easy, it's not hard at all. You want to tie them in a couple of knots, maybe 4 or 5, and then cut the excess string off. Now, I do burn them, and that's just a choice. You don't have to. And I also use super glue on my knot. That's also optional. You don't have to do that. But my waist beads do last 4 years, and I don't have problems with them breaking. So I can tie them personally. If you are locally in my area, I do private tying, so there's nobody around to see you, because sometimes people are self-conscious about raising up their shirt and things like that. And I still tie on top of their dresses too if we're out somewhere and you need them to get tied. I also have wholesale waist beads. Go to my website, craftswoman.com.